In this video, we show you how to disassemble taper bushes step by step. Disassembling the taper bush. First, loosen the screws and unscrew them completely. Then screw the screws into the threaded bores of the bushes. Please note that there may be one or more forcing threads, depending on the type of taper bush. Then tighten the screws until the driving element disengages from the bush. Please ensure that the screws are tightened evenly if there are numerous extraction holes. A screwdriver can be used to detach the bushes from the shaft. Carefully drive it into the slit in the bush to force it apart. Check all components for wear and tear. Taper clamping bushes can be used several times. You'll find numerous products with taper clamp bushing designs in our web shop at www.maedler.de.